Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing video, which is an SLG on small leather good from Chanel. My SA helped me to find this beautiful piece from the recent collection. Now let's get started. And here is the box. For the price, I will put it on the screen for your reference. For Thai audience, please times 23 to 24 for Thai baht. So I bought a small wallet, guys. This is in beautiful purple color, caviar leather with silver hardware. Now let's take a look inside. There are a total of 6 card slots with 1 portion for banknote. And here is the authentic card. You can see that it is in series 31. The closure of this wallet is a snap closure. Now let's take a look at the behind. There is a zipper pocket for coins, which I think is convenient to use. There is enough space for you to take out your coins. Okay guys, this is a short unboxing for this beautiful wallet. In case you are interested to get something similar or similar wallet or want to check out what's the purple color look like. In my opinion, I would recommend this wallet, especially in this color because it's rare and it's very pretty. I seldom see Chanel comes out with this beautiful purple. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you like luxury and lifestyle in general, please like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out my future video. See you soon. Bye.